Changing your verification method on Kraken can help enhance your account security or update your information. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Start by visiting the Kraken website and logging into your account using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Verification Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Verification or Security section. Click on it to view your current verification methods and options for changing them. Step 4. Choose a new verification method. Review the available verification methods and select the one you wish to change to. This may include options like two-factor authentication, email verification, or phone verification. Follow the prompts to initiate the change. Step 5. Complete the verification process. After selecting your new verification method, follow the instructions provided to complete the process. This may involve entering a code sent to your email or phone, or uploading identification documents if necessary. After completing these steps, your verification method on Kraken should be successfully updated. Always ensure your account remains secure by regularly reviewing your security settings.